Hey guys, this is my RC car collection, sort of. Before I start, I'm just gonna say I just literally 10 minutes ago just ordered my low-C rally car, and it's the brushless version. So yeah, I'm gonna just get on with the video now. So number one is the Team Associated T3, I believe. With a brushless motor and ESC with no connectors. It's my Team Associated T3 rally car conversion. It's not finished yet. It's still got to be wired up, and it needs some steering parts and stuff like that. So yeah. Hasn't got any rally tyres yet. It's got drift tyres on it. It's got metal shocks or whatever they are. Yeah, I know the shocks, I'm just saying. It's got a lot of metal upgrades. Yep. Okay, moving on to my racer. This is my Thunder Tiger Gt, I believe. I think it's called the GT. I'm not sure. You can go look it up or something. I've got new front tyres and wheels set. I think they're Tamiya. I'm not sure. I've got the aluminum, whatever it is. Aluminum shocks upgrade. Yep, on the back as well. I've got a Exceed brushless set. I've got a brushless set Exceed 6.5T. I've got the battery is a NIMH 500 mega mAh 7.2 volts. It's really good. It lasts about an hour. Not many metal upgrades since I only got this last Christmas. So yeah. So yeah, that's the end of my video. Rate, comment, subscribe, and look for me on my other videos. And also go subscribe to iRemote Clan, Tobamore Vlogs, and L4D2 Spaz. They're my other channels. Okay, see you later.